Hi everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop. Today's video is a thank you for a gift I've received from Ade Swash, and as you can see on the screen, this is Ade's channel. He's very successful and makes a lot of very good videos. Now what Ade sent me was these little washers he made, and they're made from gasket or jointing paper, and he made, I'll put a link in the video description of the video where he made these. And Ade's got a 𝗲𝗡𝗏𝗏 the same as me, and as many of you know, they have screw-on chucks, and one of the challenges, they tend to get a bit sort of stuck, and it's quite hard work to get them off. And if you put this between before you screw the chuck on, you slide this on, and then screw the chuck on, what you get is it just amazingly, it makes it so much easier to remove the chuck at a later date. Since Ade was kind enough to give me these, I've been using them on the 𝗲𝗏𝗏, and I've not had any issues at all. And to be truthful, it was a bit of a nightmare every time I had to change chuck before I got this. So that a big thank you to Ade for this. One of the other interesting things is, it might just be because I don't change chucks too much, but they seem to last for an awful long time. So yeah, they're very they're just good, really. And I think some of the with some of the other older lathes, I think an Atlas has a screw-on chuck, so that they may I would imagine they would work on any lathe with a screw-on chuck. So one of the other things Ade was kind enough to do for me was he made a couple of the thumbnails for my video series, the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 one, which you can see now, and also the sticker swap one. Ade's very talented in this area, and as you can see from his website, his channel, he's got some very nice thumbnails. So thanks for that, Ade. It's I really do appreciate it. And I know from previous conversations with Ade, if anyone needs help with some of these stickers, washers, or thumbnails, contact him, and I'm sure if time permits it, he'll be able to lend a helping hand. Okay, well that's about it. So as always, stay happy, strong and healthy, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.